Hi friend, how are you? I hope doing well. Now we are going to write code half pyramid pattern with left side in Excel VBA. So we go to Excel. I open new Excel. Control F11 to go to VBA editor and insert module in new Excel file. Now write here VBA code to print inverted half pyramid from left side. So declare sub procedure write pyramid left side. Okay, declare variable. Let's take I and j as a integer. Now I usually take rn for row number and cn for column number to understand better. Now take outer for loop rn equal to 1 to let's take 10 for cn equal to rn to 10 1 tab. Let's take cells dot cells in rn cn put a value to printing a star. Next cn, next rn and for loop and outer for loop. Here we first of all take rn equal to 1 and cn equal to also 1, then 1 first row first column print a star. Then after moving rn equal to 2 and also cn equal to 2 and 2, from goes r1 1 to 10 first time like this. Let's start toggling, pressing F1 F8 key to print. How to print 10 times. Then printing in next line. Pressing F8 key. Now F3 cn equal to 3. Now if you roll over cursor on variable rn cn, then you see first start rn equal to after 2 times rolling and third times rn variable 3, and now cn start from column 3 means row 3 and column 3, and start from here and goes from 3 to 10 time like this. And if you run pressing F5 or run button, then we create pattern half pyramid from left side. This is very frequent question in any organization. This is the logic behind in nested for loop we used here. Right here Cells.Clear and run one times more. Clear and run program. Printing this type. If you get benefit from this code, please subscribe, like, and also share with friends. Thank you.